In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction on Xero. Whether you're managing your own books or assisting someone with theirs, knowing how to split transactions can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to accurately allocate parts of a transaction to different accounts or categorize expenses appropriately. Let's go through this process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to the right section in your Xero dashboard. So start by looking at the top bar. Up there, you'll find the accounting option. Give it a click, and this is where most of the financial tools and features you'll access are found. From here, you'll see a drop-down menu. What you're going to want to select is bank accounts. Selecting this will take you to a comprehensive list of all your bank accounts linked within Xero. Now that you're in your bank account view, it's time to move a step further. Look for the Reconcile button next to the bank account where the transaction you wish to split was made. Reconciliation is crucial because it ensures that your records match your bank statements. So always keep an eye on this. Once you're in the reconciliation page, you'll want to find the transaction in question. To do that, click on the Find and Match button. This tool will show you all the transactions you've recorded on your Xero account that are ready to be matched with your bank feed transactions. Take a moment here to carefully review the transactions listed to ensure accuracy. After you've located the transaction you want to split, click on it to match it with the corresponding entry from your bank feed. Right next to where you've made your selection, there should be an option to split. Click on this, as it's the key to dividing the transaction. Here's the part where you specify how you want the transaction divided. Input the amount for the part payment, and ensure the allocation aligns with your records or desired expense categories. Once you've done that, hit Split. Double-check everything to prevent errors in the allocation. Finally, when you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Reconcile. This confirms the changes and seals your transaction's new standing in your financial records. And there you go. Your transaction is now perfectly split and reconciled, ensuring greater accuracy in your financial statements. And that's all there is to it. Splitting transactions might seem a bit tedious at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's an indispensable part of your accounting toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes splitting transactions in Xero a breeze for you. Remember, accurate bookkeeping is foundational to maintaining clarity in your financial health.